Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online by typing. It is free and available worldwide. It also pays with PayPal and a perfect money-making strategy for regular people like you and me. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to explain to you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. The first step is to log on to your computer or mobile device. You can now do this on your smartphone from anywhere in the world, regardless of whether you have an Android or an iPhone. Now go to typingtest.com, a highly significant website where you may take a 60-second typing test. When you arrive at this website, click on this typing test to be taken to this page, where you will see Welcome to the world's most popular typing speed test with over 4 million tests. So you have the option of choosing between 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes, and then selecting critical text sentences or words. Please log in and choose the 1-minute test option. So we'll do it for 60 seconds, and then I want you to click on the text, then on more alternatives, and then on the start typing task. The fact that you can do this on your phone makes it even more remarkable and easy. As you can see, you can begin typing by clicking or tapping over here, and then they'll set a timer for 1 minute or 60 seconds and assess your typing speed. So if you start typing a specific word, the timer will begin to run and will show how fast you type. Typingtest.com is the name of the web server. If you go to this website and click on typing practices or typing classes, do you have any clue how quickly you can type on your phone or computer? They will provide you with a free course and training to assist you in typing quicker. This is because this video will show you a few websites where you can make money online simply by typing, and the faster you type, the more money you make. Now I'll show you a few places where you can earn money simply by typing. So I'd like to demonstrate to you that they basically cover the entire world in any country. So this is the first website I'd like to show you that can assist you in making even more money online. $1.25 per minute right here. Let's try to solve the problem using the online calculator now. 1.25 cents per minute or $1.35 per minute. If you type for 60 minutes or an hour, you can now earn $75. By typing on this website for 3 hours, you can make $225. And if you type for 5 hours, you can earn up to $375. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity with a very reputable and trustworthy firm that has gained the trust of over 170,000 people from diverse industries throughout the world. I'd like you to go to rev.com and look at the homepage. As you can see, transcription costs $1.25 per minute, whereas captions cost $1.25 per minute for international subtitles, which cost between $3 and $7 per minute. If you're from a foreign country such as India and Hindi or another language is spoken in your country, you can assist them in adding subtitles to the videos or translating them from Hindi to English or English to Hindi. This is a great way to make a lot of money. The charges range from $3 to $7 each minute, as you can see. Let's see how much money you might be able to get. If you earn $5 per minute on average, you may earn $300 per hour simply by supplying subtitles if you speak another language. As a result, this will be a once-in-a-lifetime chance for people all over the world. If you're just getting started and don't speak a foreign language, I'd suggest starting with video transcription, which costs $1.25 per minute. You may see how to become a freelancer if you go all the way down to the bottom of this page. Here, you'll find freelancing opportunities that allow you to work from home and on your own time. You'll be able to pick and choose from hundreds of job openings, and you'll be paid weekly. You can expect your payments to arrive on schedule and in a secure manner. I'd like to introduce you to another website where you can currently join for free. Another option is to use transcribeme.com. Now that you've arrived at this website, you'll notice that there are a few employment openings. You can use your typing skills to earn money online by performing tasks such as transcription or translation. For the time being, I'd prefer you to concentrate on transcription. We pay more than anyone we've ever had. Earnings per audio hour begins at $15 and rise to $22 per hour, with a monthly maximum of $200. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Okay, it's quite pricey at $22 per audio hour, as you can see. You may figure it out using the online calculator, or you can hire someone to do it for you for $22 per hour. If you work for 5 hours a day, you may earn $110, but this is much less than Rev.com. As a result, I strongly advise you to set aside some time to join Rev.com, as it is a better option. It's a compelling incentive to join both if you want to boost your earning potential and diversify your cash stream. You can join Rev.com first, then TranscribeMe.com, giving you more freedom because Rev.com occasionally has work, or you can go straight to TranscribeMe.com to find actual work that you can use on your computer or phone. So if you'd want to join, just click the Join Today button right here, and you'll be directed to a page where you may do so. This website is fantastic because you can access it from your phone or computer, and their work hours and schedules are really flexible. As a result, you can work at your own leisure. The best part is that they usually only offer 2 or 4 minute segments, so it's not too long. Consider how much money you could make just transcribing for half an hour or even an hour. You may only need to provide your first and last names as well as your email address. Make sure to use your real email address for the account activation confirmation link. Check your inbox for any correspondence from them, including your spam box and promotional tabs, and then enter your password and confirm your password exactly here, followed by PayPal address so they can send you the payment. Always check your email because they will send you a verification details to your inbox, which is necessary for you to improve your typing speed because they will ask you about it on occasion. This is where you can take a typing test at typingtest.com. I do these tests right here, for example, and they show me the results. You can take a typing test on this website if you're curious about my typing speed in terms of how many words per minute I type. If you type at roughly 60 words per minute, you can take a screenshot of the report and email it to them. This is your typing speed, and it is because of it that they will approve you for more employment chances. Otherwise, you may take some free courses right here on this website to increase or even double your typing speed, allowing you to be considered for more job prospects. Simply ensure that you can type quickly, and you will be able to earn more money each day. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how you can make money online by typing. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.